Let's understand what is margin product and how can you leverage it. The margin product allows customers to purchase shares by paying a margin of only up to 25% and carry forward the position for 5 trading days. However, you need to pledge your stocks to enjoy the benefits of the margin product. While purchasing shares under margin product, unpaid shares are automatically pledged in favor of SBI Securities Limited on T+1. This ensures seamless processing without the need for any approval or OTP. And if sufficient cash is available on the first day, T, or the subsequent 5 working days, SBI Securities Limited will unpledge the unpaid securities when the payment is settled. But if the remaining funds required to complete the buy value are not received by T+5 working days, the SBI Securities Risk Management Team will invoke the pledge and liquidate the shares on the T+6 trading day. To release the equivalent number of shares on the next working day, remember to make the payment before 5 p.m. on regular trading days. Please note that delayed payment charges at 17% per annum will be levied from T+1 working day on the debit towards unpaid securities purchased on the previous trading day or prior.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.